What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be fun. We got some new suspension for the Power Wheels Jeep. It's very stiff. It has always been stiff. It explodes your spine every time you hop on the thing. So I made the investment and I found some suspension on Amazon. We're gonna give it a little bit of a review. So we looked a couple times, we checked to see, should we get really expensive stuff or should we get some budget stuff? This was kind of the budget option. What's new? Wow, they packaged this up nice.
They wrapped their knickknacks in bubble wrap.
Yeah, all right. This looks good. There's a bunch of comments or I guess reviews already on this set of suspension, and everybody seems to like it.
Nice. And
it's pretty freaking sweet. So it's gas filled and much better. It looks cool. It's black and orange or black and gold. It seems sturdy in the box. That's good. That's a good sign.
Compare. We'll compare circumferences. Nice,
yes.
Dude.
This is the biggest pain in the ass on the Jeep right now. We don't have these, so we use a frickin' pipe wrench, and that breaks it. I don't know if we ever showed that, but I broke the suspension on the Jeep by using the pipe wrench. Ooh, look at these things. Damn, these are cool. Look at that. I'm excited.
How much were those?
We had to get the 340 mil option, so they were like 73 bucks for the set of two. They do have the 320 mil option. We could have did that, would have dropped the Jeep just a little bit, but we wanted it to sit higher, or at least have better setup for when I get in it. And I think this is gonna do just the trick.
You can adjust it?
Yeah, fully adjustable. It's a gas-filled one, and you can adjust about like an inch right here.
Get a close-up of that nipple.
For spring rate.
It's just an air. They say it's a gas, but really
it's just air. That's pretty high tech for something that's low tech. We will post these in a link in the description so you guys can go buy them if you have a Chinese quad or...
They work on everything.
I think they work on...
Or a truck
or a truck. I mean, yeah.
I think you could put them on this.
Find the right length. I mean, yeah, people had these specific ones on like 300 and 400 ATVs and stuff. Pretty confident in these being on the Jeep because it doesn't weigh as much as this thing or that. So let's put them in.
I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso.
Okay, though, bounce up and down. Okay, so get a good feel for that.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Now do it.
I felt it right away. We can try it a little more. See what happens. Yeah, you're not going down as far. Cool.
Want to put the front ones on?
Yeah. When you buy this, it comes with two bushings that are the width that they come as. So this machine has a little bit wider ones down on the bottom. So on the rear, we were able to actually take out that the sleeve.
Yeah, the sleeve inside the bushing here.
Yeah, and we were able to use the old one to fit into the bracket. Really nice. The new, or the front ones do not seem to be that nice to play with. So we're just gonna add some washers and do it that way.
Yeah, this will be just fine.
It's just a fair warning.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you. Baby girl love my bop and I like me too.
Dude, this thing looks so sick with this new suspension. We're gonna go on a test drive and see what it feels like. So we got the GoPro set up, aiming at the suspension to kind of watch the travel a little bit and see what it looks like. We're gonna ride around and then we'll tell you what we think when we're done. Obviously it's probably gonna be better than the stock stuff. We'll try not to be too excited. Oh. It's doing better.
Spending dope for no reason. Got a ball head, Mr. Cleaner. Heard the big bags overseas, then we gon' go. Whoa, I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, that know that looks like, whoa.
Suspension, great. Not checking for fuel,
Not great.
not great.
So do we need to make any changes to the suspension, you think?
I'd say if anything, the back could go a little looser.
Looser?
A little bit. It's still pretty stiff. The front is pretty good.
Nice.
I'm not worried about that, but the wheels, it's not aligned properly.
That wheel's like
Yeah, I think
sticks out that way a little bit.
this wheel might just need to
See it sticks.
toe in a tad. This one's pretty vertical.
So
So,
how we can't change that?
yeah, it's not adjustable that way, which I think it's actually bent a little bit. I'd say just push this out
So it
so the tire turns in,
Yeah.
and we just deal with the...
Just like a half a turn or a turn.
Yeah.
Or something like that. I did that to the four-wheeler, made a world of difference.
These are an obvious upgrade, a definite upgrade from what we had. I'd say go with it. It's a cheap alternative to like a factory option for like Honda. Like if the suspension went out on that thing, I would not hesitate to get these for it. The gas shock does work, like the gas thing, it does work. It's just not,
It doesn't have a very big reservoir.
yeah, it's not, it works. It's just not like high end. So I'm not upset at all. Like we're not gonna break this suspension, I don't think.
We would have broke the other suspension before we broke
I
this.
think so, yeah. Considering we broke the other stuff with a wrench.
So yeah, if you guys need these shocks for anything, here's our link and go check them out.
They come in a ton of different colors too, so if like you don't want black and gold, they got a bunch of different options.
I think I got the white ones on this. Can we get a...
Oh, I got the silver ones.
Oh, black and silver, yeah. So it works on a lot of different stuff. What we're gonna work on now is getting the front end aligned, and then we're probably gonna wash it so we can prep it for proving grounds, because that's coming up literally next week. We have an event that
1
we're
week
going
from
to.
today. It's
Yep.
Thursday, so...
Yep, it's Thursday now. You guys are probably gonna see this the day that we're actually going up there. It'll be happening when you're watching.
So we won't have real-time proving ground.
We will have real-time Instagram stuff, so if you guys want to keep along with that, you will have that. So hopping over to the Instagram,
Underscore something.
it's here. This is it. This is our Instagram. It's heavy. So yeah, let's work on getting this thing aligned. At least this side. This side seems fine. This side needs some adjustment. And then let's wash it.
The Sungjo.
The Sunjo!
Oh yeah.
Sunjo! Sweet! We got the body back on. Good to go now. We had to do some minor choppy work. We cut the entire black thing out. Well, when I say we, I mean I made an executive decision and chopped the back off the plastic because it was hitting the suspension. How did I?
Did you get on video?
I did it with my hands. I just karate chopped it and it fell off. Actually, I used a torch and your little razor blade thing on it. Sliced right through it like it was butter. It was awesome. So yeah, now the back end is exposed. We can see that nice new shock. We got a theme going on. Gold, black, red. This thing looks pretty cool. Ready to go. Other than that, I'm gonna shine up the body a little bit, make it a little cleaner. This thing is one mean machine. It's ready for proving grounds. Hopefully, when people see it, they like it. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. It helps a lot. Leave a comment. Tell us what you think about the suspension setup now versus the stock stuff. Do you like the white better, the stock white stuff, or do you like this black and gold stuff better? There's a link in the description for these things if you want to buy them for your unit. If you have Chinese quad, it'll work on there. They have different lengths, so I would suggest measuring what you have to get the right length, but they come in a couple options, so you should be able to find something that suits your needs. As always, we appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain.